Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is IwantCHIME, aka Chime, and today I'm going to show you how to achieve luscious, beautiful hair like this. Basically, you're gonna see in this video how this hair was like very non-manageable. Like I could not manage this hair, and I was literally on the verge of getting ready to throw this hair away. So I took it to YouTube, took it to Google, took it to the internet, and I was like, what can I do to revive my wig? So if that's the question that you have, if that's the reason why you're here on this video, just go ahead and stay tuned. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, like it, comment down below if you try this or if you have tried it, and tell me how it has worked out for you. So yeah, stay tuned. So basically, we're looking at some matted hair. Like, sis, like, look at this hair. Like, it is super matted, like so matted, and I couldn't even tell you how it got like this. Like, I don't know. Like, look at that. Like, disgusting. Yuck. Ew. Like, I really can't even deal. Like, that's how bad it is. But, you know, we're not gonna stress. What we gonna do is get this back together. So the product we're gonna be using today is silicone mix. I bought it at my beauty supply store for $8.99. You'll also need a paddle brush and a comb. Now, I forgot to say, before you even start, it would be best to detangle this. Just saying, because I decided to lather this hair first and then detangle, which I lost so much more hair doing it this way. So yeah, if I were you, I would detangle first and then put the silicone mix on there. Just saying. And I'm going straight in. We're taking this hair and we are lathering. Like, don't be shy. Now you're gonna watch me detangle for a little bit. Well, struggle to detangle for a little bit. And you're gonna see me get tired. And I cut the part where I used the paddle brush. That was a little bit easier, but I still struggled, so try to do it beforehand. So it's 2 days later, and now we're gonna boil the hair. So I used a full jar of silicone mix on the hair, and whatever was left in the jar, I basically just scraped the sides and then added like 2 spoonfuls. So now I'm taking the hair out of the bag that I left it in, and the hair, I had boiled some water and put the silicone mix in it, and then I waited for the water to cool down just a little bit. And then I left the hair sitting in there until the water got completely cold. And as you can see, the hair dye like bled through. So that's what the red color is in the water. But now I pretty much rinsed all of the silicone mix off to the best of my abilities until the water ran clear and no foam. Basically, let me show y'all something. Let me show y'all. This wig is a whole nother wig. Like a whole nother wig. Like, I can run my fingers through this hair. Can y'all see that? Like, no snags. Like, what? Like, what? Y'all. This hair is so pretty, and I just did not want to get rid of it. I really did not want to throw this unit away just because I spent so much on it. So if you're actually interested in this hair, I have my previous video basically talking about how I dyed it and over processed this unit. I really love the color and how it came out. Like, I don't know if y'all can see that. Like, what? Like, what? I'm so short. But I dyed it, I bleached it. I bleached it, I dyed it. I did my knots. Basically everything you typically do to a unit I did. This unit comes with 3 clips, and it comes with an elastic band at the back, so I didn't have to do the whole elastic band method. And the silicone mix, what I did was I used a whole container because I was not playing with this unit like at all. And like, it's frizzy now because I've worn this hair all day, but like when I tell you I used a whole jar silicone mix, and like you heard in the video, it was $8. I used a whole jar of silicone mix, like the big jar, and I literally like lathered each strand of hair, and then like I combed it through. And like I said in the video as well, like if I were you, I would detangle the hair before you put the silicone mix on it, because I lost a lot of hair by putting the silicone mix on it first and then trying to detangle while the silicone mix was on it. So yeah, detangle first and then put the silicone mix on it. Let that thing sit for about at least a good whole day, a good whole 2 days. Let me tell you, I really don't think that I would have achieved the results that I have achieved if I wouldn't have put this hair in the hot boiling water. So yeah, I first off lathered every single strand of hair, and then after that what I did was let it sit for about 2 days, and then I let it sit. Shit, you seen the video. So basically what I did to this hair was like a deep conditioner co-wash. And when I tell you the smell, smells amazing. All day today, everybody's been asking me like, oh, what do you got in your hair? Why do you smell so good? You know, I just smell good, you know? No, but really, like at least 7 people asked me like, what do I have in my hair? Like, so yeah. So yeah, that was my process on the silicone mix. I don't know if you could tell, but like you can see, can you see? Look at it. You can see the shine. Like, come on. So I don't know if any of this had helped you in your process to basically doing a silicone mix. If it did, again, leave a comment in the comment section down below. If you have any other questions, comments, or concern, leave those down below as well. Video requests, I take those too. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And then if you love me forever, you would share this video with somebody else who's had, you know, a similar problem. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. Y'all chime in next time. Bye. Alright, so I told y'all I was going to show y'all the hair, so that's what I'm about to do right now, okay? So yeah, that's the hair.